Good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the present day challenges of HRM. Human resource management HRM is adopted by many companies because of its benefits, but at the same time, various challenges may emerge in front of managers of human resource department while performing their duties. Any capable manager would work on these challenges to prevent the organizational activities from being obstructed, but they must first identify these issues. Such challenges are described here. यानी ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट जो है वो सभी कंपनीज के द्वारा अडॉप्ट किया जाता है क्योंकि इसके बहुत सारे फायदे हैं. But at the same time, various challenges may emerge in front of managers. लेकिन ये भी आप कह सकते हैं कि इसी समय जो हमारे ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर्स हैं डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स के, उनके सामने बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस भी हैं अपनी ड्यूटीज को परफॉर्म करने के. लेकिन जो कैपेबल एचआर मैनेजर्स होते हैं वो इन चैलेंजेस को रोकने का प्रयास करते हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एक्टिविटीज करके. उन्हें आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कौन कौन से इश्यूज हैं जो उनकी स्मूथ फंक्शनिंग में हिंड्रेंस या एज अ बैरियर क्रिएट करते हैं. सो वी नाउ डिस्कस द चैलेंजेस. फर्स्ट है रिक्रूटमेंट. कंपनीज sometimes need to recruit new talent for various reasons. Such as an increase in project scope, operations. While recruiting, the HRM faces major challenges selecting the best candidate and making the hired candidate familiar with the environment and culture. HRM has to select such candidates which are not only technically expert but socially too, because the company cannot receive expected output from employees who are unable to socialize. This affects the productivity of the company. यानी जो पहला चैलेंज है रिक्रूटमेंट, कंपनीज को जो है आवश्यकता होती है नए टैलेंट को रिक्रूट करने की, जिसके बहुत सारे कारण हैं. जिसमें कि जो एचआरएम मैनेजर होता है वो बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस को फेस करता है कि उनमें से कौन सा बेस्ट कैंडिडेट है जिसको हम सेलेक्ट करें, हायर करें, और उसके साथ साथ में एक ऐसा एटमॉस्फेयर क्रिएट करें, ऐसा कल्चर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में डेवलप करें जिससे कि जो टैलेंट हैं वो स्मूथली फंक्शन कर सकें. सेकंड चैलेंज इज रिटेंशन. Hiring employees is not only a challenge that HRM faces, retaining them is also one. Retention of employees is essential to minimize employees turnover rate, and this is a major challenge for HRM because of following reasons. First is the contingent workforce. The contingent workforce includes part-time, temporary, contract and work at home employees. Maintaining such employees in the company is a challenge because they are less attached to the company. So it becomes a major duty of HRM to make such employees feel that they are a part of the company in order to retain them for a long term. Second is demand of expert employees. Persons with the greater professionals and technical knowledge are highly demanded in the job market as such employees have the ability to keep their companies ahead in the race. Such employees are an invaluable asset for any company and HRM should focus on maintaining them. Now, okay, girls.